Hello, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. Today we're going to talk about Boeing. Boeing took another leg down, and a lot of people are trying to see if it's a buying opportunity or if they should sit there and wait and hold due to all the mess that's been going on with the planes and everything that's going on. So before we look at the charts, let's go for our normal disclaimer to state this is for education use only. We're not soliciting, buy, or selling a particular instrument. All information is for education use only. Here's the rest of the disclaimer here, and you can see we're broker neutral. So let's go through and start talking about the charts. So here is a monthly chart for Boeing, and you could see from the monthly chart here, this has been in a nice bullish trend here. Went for a pullback, but not much of a pullback, believe it or not, compared to the big run here. And then it broke out here, and then it's kind of still holding that breakout level, believe it or not, which is right about here. So there's a major support, monthly support right about here, and you could see that multiple time frame cross right there. So there's a multiple time frame support right at where price pretty much is almost at right now, which is around about 374, 375 is a major support. What's very critical to see is there's also a multiple time frame resistance right now. So you could see that here, what's stopping Boeing from going up right now is that resistance at 403. The critical part right now is on a monthly basis. This has got to sit there and stay above 375 in order to sit there and maintain the possibility of continuing this trend eventually after all the fundamental stuff has been resolved. If it breaks that, then this thing can sit there and go lower, and at that point the people invested in it may sit there and get out and start rotating to other instruments and so forth. So this is a very, very critical level here for Boeing to maintain. And you could see here the lowest it could possibly get for after the next major support would be about 313, which is the nut level here. If it gets down to here, then it can go for a major pullback, and at that point it'll be drastic for Boeing. But a lot of people invest in this, and a lot of people are looking to sit there and see if it's a buying opportunity. Right now, as long as there's that multiple time frame cross above you, I would not be sitting there buying this at all. And let me go to a month of 240-minute chart, a 4-hour chart, and kind of show you what it looks like in here. And you could see that this is a big movement down here, and you could see it's trying to sit there, and I'll move the crosses there, and you could see these multiple time frame resistances going down, which is not a good sign at all. And that's kind of what's holding this thing down. And you could see here now it's starting to come down. There's the multiple time frame cross right there. Let's adjust to its accurate value. That's the lowest point right there, and you could see that's the range here. And you could see from the overall momentum here, there's still a high probability it could break that and go lower. So I would not be sitting there buying right now. I'll be looking for some type of confirmation on the lower time frames to go bullish, but right now you do not see that. Minimum you need is these multiple time frame resistances to disappear. If they disappear, then you now have a potential opportunity. If they don't, then you're not going to have at all. If you guys have any questions, you could email us at info@eiicapital.com. Thank you.